In October 2021, the SEC approved the first Bitcoin ETF. As a result, BTC prices skyrocketed to its all-time high level already in November. Today in this video, we're going to explain what Bitcoin ETF is and why it's important for the crypto industry. An ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and in fact is not something new to the market. Players in the financial world have heard about this feature ever since 1993. Basically, ETF is a security that consists of various financial tools such as bonds and futures contracts. It trades on traditional exchanges just like stocks and allows traders to diversify their portfolios effortlessly. If you want to buy S&P 500 ETFs, then you're investing in 500 largest companies in America. What is a Bitcoin ETF, you may wonder? Simply put, Bitcoin ETF is a stock index. It monitors BTC by using futures contracts, and because of that, you're able to open, buy and sell positions with it. If you want to have Bitcoin in your portfolio without actually having to buy it on a crypto exchange, then ETF is a perfect solution for you. As any investment tool, Bitcoin ETFs have their pros and cons. But let's take a look at the advantages first. Bitcoin ETF is a much safer and easier investment tool than the actual crypto. You don't have to be an expert in cryptocurrencies to understand how they work. Instead, you can just buy an ETF. Moreover, it's regulated by authorities, which makes it even much more secure. Bitcoin is quite a new asset and is not tied to any financial traditional tools. Although Bitcoin is considered to be a risky investment, traders like to diversify their portfolios with it. However, Bitcoin ETFs are a more secure option to diversify with because, unlike the crypto market, the traditional one is far more liquid. With ETFs, you have the possibility to trade on traditional exchanges. No cryptocurrency exchange is needed. If traders think that Bitcoin is going to go down, they can quickly sell their ETF. The main disadvantages are the following. Usually ETFs require a fee. You can't get a Bitcoin if it's frozen in an ETF. Trading sessions are the only possibility to buy or sell an ETF. Here are some examples of Bitcoin ETFs available on the market. The Bitcoin 10 Private Index Fund. It offers 10 cryptocurrencies and is audited annually. Purpose Bitcoin ETF. This Canadian fund went live in October 2021 and only in the first week raised $500 million in investments. BTC ETC Physical Bitcoin ETC. This Bitcoin is registered in Germany and complies with regulations. Evolve Bitcoin ETF, launched on the Toronto Stock Exchange market just after BTCC. CI Galaxy Bitcoin ETF, launched in Canada on a Toronto Stock Exchange market. The crypto universe and the traditional finance are blending more and more. Nobody knows where this goes because we are at the beginning of the merging process. Let's keep a close watch on it to learn new trends. Thank you for watching and make sure to hit the subscribe button not to miss out on our next videos because the very best is yet to come. See you soon!